I'm still here. But I don't feel alive. I wake up with a heavy chest, like I failed some kind of test. The world keeps moving on so fast, but I'm stuck inside the past. I smile just to hide the pain, but it's pouring in my brain. Every thought becomes a scar, and I don't know where you are. And I try to be okay, but I break a little every day. I don't know what's left of me, just a ghost you'll never see. I'm falling apart in the rain, and nothing ever feels the same. My heart is tired of the hurt, my soul is buried in the dirt. I scream so soft no one hears, I drown in all my hidden tears. I'm broken again, I'm broken again. The nights are colder than before, I can't find peace behind this door. Memories cut me like a blade. I hate the mess that I have made. I just wanted love to stay, but love always fades away. Now I'm holding empty air, pretending that you're still there. If I disappeared tonight, would anyone even cry? Or would I just become a name under someone else's sky? I'm falling apart in the rain, and nothing ever heals the pain. My mind is tired of the fight, I don't wanna feel tonight. I scream so soft no one hears, I drown in all my hidden tears. I'm broken forever, broken forever. Yeah, I'm still here, but I'm not okay.